All right, it's July 11th and it is 1:08. I'm hoping to leave for the chiropractor in about an hour. I just want to give you a kind of walk through of how crazy the household looks. Some areas though are improved, definitely. But look at this. This is all recyclables and trash. These are the dishes. This is the meal that I'm making in the crock pot right now. This is my electrolyte water ready to go. This is my snack bag right here, ready to go. About to have lunch. There's my lunch in here. And I have one of those Red's beef burritos. Washing some baby clothes. And I washed the blanket and I washed all the linen. I don't know what happened to this pillowcase. I still can't find it. There's my bag right there. Kind of my to-go bag today. It just has like a change of clothes if I get sweaty. I've been going and visiting my parents every evening and I always want like a change of clothes because I get really, really sweaty these days. This is my hospital bag. It's all packed to go. This floor was all filled with boxes. So put all the baby diapers there. A lot of my blankets are washed. My baby clothes, diapers, and this is the sash I used for my baby shower. So here's all my stuff, all organized, ready to go. Here's unwashed baby clothes. It is a lot. Here. And then, last but not least, I'm a bookworm, and I'm going to be reading a lot to the baby. There's the books. All right, that is my update.